BMW has officially revealed the production-ready F450 GS, a long-awaited addition to its adventure bike lineup. The model debuts in 4 variants: Basic, Exclusive, Sport, and Trophy, and introduces BMW's brand new 420cc parallel twin engine featuring a 135-degree crank and developed in collaboration with TVS. This compact and over-square power plant, with a 72mm bore and 51.6mm stroke, uses a DOHC 8-valve head and a 13:1 compression ratio to produce 48 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and 43 Nm at 6,750 RPM. It is tuned precisely to meet the A2 license limit, offering full performance without the added weight of a restricted larger capacity engine and reaching a top speed of 165 km/h. Despite its strong performance, the F450 GS remains impressively light at 178 kilograms ready to ride, close to the minimum weight allowed for its class. This has been achieved through a tubular steel frame and a hollow aluminum swing arm engineered to deliver both strength and agility. Suspension is handled by KYB components, with a preload and rebound adjustable rear monoshock and 43mm front forks. The Sport and Trophy variants upgrade to fully adjustable forks, adding compression and rebound damping adjustments for improved versatility across varied terrain. The bike's 1,465mm wheelbase and 180mm of suspension travel at both ends strike a balance between stability and nimbleness. A 19-inch front and 17-inch rear wheel setup comes standard in cast alloy, while spoked wheels remain available for riders who want greater off-road resilience. This configuration gives the F450 GS genuine, though moderate, off-road capability, making it well-suited for gravel roads, forest trails, and light adventure riding. One of the major innovations on the F450 GS is the Easy Ride clutch system, standard on the Trophy version. The smart clutch automatically disengages at idle and re-engages when you twist the throttle, allowing riders to maneuver at low speeds without using the clutch. This makes stop-and-go traffic, tight corners, and light off-road riding much easier and reduces the chance of stalling. At normal riding speeds, the clutch and gears work as usual, giving full control when needed. ERC works seamlessly with Shift Assistant Pro, the BMW's quick shifter for clutchless upshifts and downshifts, standard on all trims except the Basic, and seamlessly complements the 6-speed gearbox. Braking and safety equipment match BMW's high standards. The bike comes with cornering ABS, a 310mm Brembo 4-piston front disc, and a 240mm Bibrake rear disc, supported by dynamic brake control, dynamic traction control, and engine drag torque control. Riding modes include Rain, Road, and Enduro, with Enduro Pro available on the Exclusive, Sport, and Trophy variants, which disables rear ABS for advanced off-road riding. The cockpit is centered around a 6.5-inch full-color TFT display, offering smartphone connectivity for navigation, calls, and music. Full LED lighting, a USB-C charging port, and heated grips come as standard, a premium touch not commonly found on lightweight adventure motorcycles. Fuel consumption is rated at 3.8 liters per 100 km, and the 14-liter tank provides strong touring range. Ergonomics are equally adaptable, with the standard 845mm seat height adjustable down to 830mm or up to 865mm. Riders can further customize the bike through BMW's extensive accessories catalog, which includes luggage systems, crash protection, and multiple windscreen options. Lightweight, well-equipped, and positioned perfectly within the middleweight adventure class, the new BMW F450 GS is set to attract both new and experienced riders seeking a capable, modern, and versatile adventure machine.